Can you hear me okay, Jess?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. My name is Judge Christy Ruppe. You're all here today for the first appearance. The purpose of this hearing is to inform you of the charges against you and determine whether there is probable cause for your arrest. Probable cause only means that it's more likely than not that you committed the crime in which you've been arrested. As you appear before me today, you're considered not guilty of what you've been charged with. That status will remain with you through each stage of these proceedings up until changed by the state attorney's office if they prove the case against you beyond and to the exclusion of every reasonable doubt. In all likelihood, you're arrested on a new charge or a warrant. Either way, you will given a bond pursuant to the bond schedule. I will determine whether to keep that bond the same, increase it, decrease it, or whether there are any other conditions of pre-trial release which will be imposed upon you. You're entitled to have a lawyer represent you at each stage of these proceedings. If you cannot afford to hire one, I will appoint the public defender's office for you today. You're also entitled to make a phone call to let friends, family, or your counsel know where you are. If you haven't had that phone call yet, please let me know. I'll make sure you get that phone call today. Finally, and most importantly, you have the right to remain silent, and I encourage you to do so. These hearings are recorded, and there is an assistant state attorney in this court writing down everything that you say. So anything you say about the facts of your case can and will be held against you in the prosecution of your case down the road. At this time, I'd like everyone to raise your right hand so I can place you under oath. Solemnly swear or affirm testimony before the court will be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth. All right, go ahead and put your hands down. As I call your name, please come forward. All right, Rachel Schmier. Can I have your date of birth?
January 8th, 85.
All right. You are here today for a DUI and refusal. There's probable cause for your arrest. Do you want the public defender's office to represent you?
I do. I wasn't able to reach my attorney.
Okay. Do you have the public defender on the DUI that's pending right now?
No.
Your first DUI? You don't? You have a private attorney?
Yes.
Who is it?
Hernando.
Okay. And you're planning on hiring that attorney for this case as well?
Yes.
Okay. I'll put you down as private counsel, and if for any reason you change your mind and you want the public defender's office, you can fill out an application. Okay. I see you have the pending DUI 2019 CT 2023. It's a DUI leaving scene of accident with property damage. That's in front of me and set for a pre-trial on September 10th. Your bond amounts on those were $1,000 each. I'm going to revoke your bond at this time because there's probable cause to believe that you committed another crime while you're out on bond. So you'll be held in custody on that case until it's resolved. You're entitled to bond on these charges. Your bond amount is going to be $5,000 each, and we'll see you in court September 10th at 9 a.m. Angelica Rivera. Yeah. Can I have your date of birth?
May 1681.
You are here today for a burglary of a dwelling. Your bond amount is currently $10,000. Do you want the public defender's office to represent you?
Yes.
I'll appoint the public defender's office. Do you currently have the public defender representing you on your petty theft charge?
No.
Okay. Do you want them to represent you on that charge?
Yeah.
I'll appoint the public defender in 2019 MM 2681. At this time, I'm going to recommit you on that case because there's probable cause to believe that you committed another crime while that charge is pending. So you're going to be held in custody until you resolve that case. Your bond in this case is going to be $10,000. It's going to stay the same. And we're going to see you back to court on September 17th at, September 17th, that's right, September 17th at 9 a.m.
What does that mean?
That's for your new charge. You also have a court date of September 6th. Angela Martin.
Oh, just violation of probation and transport.
Go ahead.
Hello.
Can I have your date of birth?
8/3/85.
You are here today for failure to register as a convicted felon. Your bond amount is $500. I found probable cause for your arrest and it's based on a warrant signed by Judge Barbie on August 22nd. So,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm
You don't,
sorry.
okay, don't say anything. Don't say anything. Stop. Do you want the public defender?
Yes.
Okay, very good. And state what? Hold on. Don't say
Ma'am.
anything. Nope. Stop. I'm trying to help you. Please don't say anything.
She has a open case currently in Sumter County for no valid driver's license. That has a pretrial on 10/7 and a separate jury trial on 10/14. There's an adjudication for drugs with intent and controlled substance without prescription on a Pasco 2017. There appear to be multiple cases of that. There's also adjudication driving when license suspended 2014 out of Hernando. An action was dropped in 2013 for battery out of Pasco. Adjudication for drug possession 2013 out of Pasco. Paraphernalia adjudication 2013 out of Pasco. Providing false name adjudication 2012 out of Hernando. An action was dropped for aggravated battery out of Pasco in 2010. Adjudication was held for possession of cannabis in 2010 out of Pasco. There's other drug charges in 2007 out of Pasco, but I'm not showing any dispositions. Adjudication for drug possession 2008 out of Pasco. And then 2008, 2007, again, there's multiple cases out of Pasco for drug paraphernalia and drug possession, but I'm not showing any dispositions. A burglary action in 2004, no disposition out of Pasco. Adjudication for aggravated battery causing bodily harm, 2005 out of Pasco. Adjudication for no valid driver's license 2004 out of Pasco. And that's what I'm showing on it. And she's showing as a single source offense.
All right, Ms. Martin, I have an address here on Romar Street in Dade City. Is that where you live?
That's where I was visiting my aunt there. Her house burned down just a couple days ago, and I talked to the officer. I told him that I was not residing in Hernando County, and he started proceeding to arrest me.
Okay. Okay, stop.
I'm sorry.
All right. Okay.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I did not know that I
Okay,
was
stop
registered.
talking. Stop. Why did I keep telling you to stop talking? You keep trying to get yourself in trouble. Stop.
Sorry.
I'm going to keep your bond at $500, and I'll see you back to court September 13th at 9 a.m.
And I'm sorry, Your Honor, was the public defender appointed?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Michael Capagli?
She's there.
Can I have your date of birth?
This is 02-1275.
Alright, you are here today for a sex offender violation. There's no bond on that. Statement of heard on that?
Your Honor, I mean, I'd have his history if you want to hear his history, but obviously.
Well, what's the basis of the no bond, do you know?
I do not know, Your Honor.
Okay. This says, his driver's license had a sheet of tape covering the sex offender, designation.
Yes, I didn't.
No. Don't say anything. Stop talking. And I'm just trying to figure out if there was a basis for the no bond. I don't think that there is, but I thought I'd check with you guys to see if you knew something I didn't know.
I was not given any additional information.
Okay, very good. Mr. Capagli, would you like the public defender's office to represent you?
As far as I know yet,
Okay. I'll point the public defender.
I don't know.
Stop. Okay, stop. I'm trying to help you here. Okay?
Thank you.
Only answer the questions that I'm asking. I have an address for you in Spring Hill. How long have you lived in Hernando County?
Since '89.
All right. Do you have a job?
I own my own business. I'm a
right.
landscaper.
Okay, very good. All right, I'm going to set your bond at $2,000. I'm going to order you to have a GPS for right now until the judge assigned to your case can review it, just to make sure that there's no problems. So you will be responsible for the payment of that GPS. It'll be placed on you before you leave. And while you have that GPS for the next couple weeks, you can't leave the state of Florida or Hernando County. When you go to your first court date on September 17th at 9 a.m., you'll have your public defender review that with the judge, and that judge will determine whether they want to keep you on the GPS, okay?
Yes, thank you.
All right, thank you. Jason Cole. I have your date of birth?
4/10/73.
Okay. You were here for a battery and resisting an officer without violence. You're being held no bond on both of those. I found probable cause for your arrest. Do you want the public defender's office to represent you?
Yes.
I'll appoint the public defender's office. I see that you have an open case right now, 2019 CF 1014. Do you have a public defender representing you in that case as well?
Yes.
Okay. That 2019 CF 1014, it looks to be a marijuana case, felony marijuana, possession of paraphernalia, and possessing a place to manufacture controlled substance. Looks like you're out on bond on that. So there's probable cause to believe that you committed another crime while you're out on bond. So I'm going to recommit you on that case for right now to appear back in front of your judge. And it looks like that is set for 9/9, September 9th. So you'll have the judge review my decision at that point. You're entitled to bond on these charges. I'm going to set your bond at $2,000. We're going to see you back to court on this case on September 13th. I'm going to order that you have no contact with the victim in this case. Don't have any contact with her whatsoever. Do not call, do not write, do not email. Do not have any contact with her whatsoever. If you have any contact with her, then you could be charged with another crime and held without bond. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Bayman Dunbar. Can I have your date of birth?
6/14/80.
Alright. You've got some issue going on in Columbia County with child support. Looks like they have a writ of bodily attachment with a cash purge of $1,400 and it looks like $32. $1,432. Alright, so we're going to keep that cash purge amount the same. You're going to be taken over to Columbia County and you can address a reduction in that purge amount with the judge over there, okay?
Okay.
Alright, thank you. Chalmers Orr. Can I have your date of birth?
9/12/84.
Alright, and this is a violation of probation on a DUI. What is the recommendation?
He was doing his treatment, and I'm not sure he finished everything, but he has paid everything off, so we would be willing to do credit time.
Okay,
I believe that would be 5 days.
5 days, thank you. Alright, Mr. Orr, if you want to resolve your case today and admit that you violated your probation, you'll be given 5 days in the Hernando County Jail, and you can be given credit for the 5 days that you already have in. Would you like to take care of it today?
I mean, Your Honor, me being here for 5 days, only got 6 weeks left of counseling, and I'll be done with everything. So,
Listen, it's the 5 days you already got in. You get out today.
yes, let's go ahead and do that now, please.
Okay. All right. Do you understand that by admitting that you violated your probation, you're giving up your right to have a hearing?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Giving up your right to confront witnesses at that hearing, call your own witnesses at that hearing, and you're giving up your right to have the state prove that you violated your probation. Do you want to give up your right to that hearing in order to take care of this case today?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that? I barely heard you.
Okay. You're giving up your right to confront witnesses at that hearing, call your own witnesses at that hearing, and you're giving up your right to have the state prove that you violated your probation. Do you want to give up those rights in order to take care of this case today?
Yes, ma'am, go ahead, please.
With regard to the DUI in 2008, violation of probation in 2018 CT 540, do you admit that you violated?
Yes, ma'am.
I accept your admission. I find that it's freely and voluntarily given. Revoke and terminate your probation. Sentence you to 5 days in the Hernando County Jail. Give you credit for the 5 days that you had in. You will have the cost of prosecution in that case. And it looks like you satisfied his conditions. If there's anything you didn't satisfy, then you still need to do that in order to get your driver's license.
Yes, ma'am.
That resolves it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, yes, the cost of incarceration for the 5 days. Thank you. Martin Riles.
Hello?
Hi, can I have your date of birth?
7/10/49.
All right, you are here today for failure to register as a convicted felon. Your bond amount is $500. There's probable cause for your arrest, and that's also based on a warrant signed by Judge Barbie. All right, do you want the public defender to represent you?
I don't,
Do you want me to give you a lawyer? You want a lawyer?
I don't know what this is about.
Okay. Well, the lawyer would really be able to help explain that to you. Do you want a lawyer?
I don't know what's going on, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what's going on is they are alleging that you committed a crime here in Florida. They're alleging that you are in this county and that you are supposed to have registered with the sheriff's office that you're here and that you didn't do that. That's what this is about. I'm not saying that any of those things are absolutely true, but that is what they are claiming. What I want to know is, would you like me to have a lawyer represent you to look into this further?
I don't know, ma'am. I didn't know I was supposed to register.
Okay, don't say, okay, all right.
Yeah, I went to prison 10 years ago.
Okay, stop talking. Stop talking. What?
Okay.
All I wanted to know is whether you wanted me to give you a lawyer. That's all. And you're saying no, you don't want one right now?
Yeah, you need to give me a lawyer. I don't have no money.
All right, there we go. All right, does the state want to be heard on anything?
I mean, he's got history, obviously, I know that, but I didn't get the court description as far as the bond.
Do what? Stay there. Don't stay there.
What did you say?
Obviously, he has history, Your Honor, but I leave the bond in the court's discretion.
All right, I'm just going to keep the bond the same, and you need to come back to court on September 13th at 9 a.m., okay?
September 13th at 9 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Is that my dog there? Peter Valatudo?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I have your date of birth?
2/27/81.
All right, you are here today for a failure to appear out of Hillsborough County. They have a bond amount on that of $5,000. Hillsborough County is going to come get you sometime within the next 5 days. They'll bring you down there. When you get there, you can ask for a lawyer, you can ask for a court date, and you can ask for bond reduction. If for some reason they don't come get you within the next 5 days, the folks there at the jail will bring you back in front of me and we'll figure out what the holdup is, okay?
Thank you.